guys, so today we're going to make a really easy origami paper heart. So let's start. I already made this beautiful cute heart. So now we're going to begin a new one. So first we're going to turn it over like into a diamond shape. Then we're going to fold it into a half. When we fold it, you'll get a triangle. Like this. So now we're going to fold it again. And when we fold it again, you'll get a smaller triangle. And the last one. So, something like this. But be proper so that they meet at the point too. Be something like this. Now we're going to open this. And as you see, there are going to be some lines. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this top point and we're going to fold it to the center line. Like this. Then you're going to get a triangle like this. So now you're going to fold the lower corner to the top middle point. You're going to fold this lower corner till here. This. So now it's going to look something like this. So now what you're going to do is, you see these both corners? Going to fold them to the middle top point. So you're going to fold this to here. Same thing with the other one too. Then press it. Our heart is not ready yet because we have to do some foldings. So now what you're going to do is you're going to fold these both corners back. We're going to turn this over and we're going to fold the corners back. So you see this corner, we fold it back. That's the same thing we do with the top two. We're going to fold them a little back. Not much, but a little. Now when you turn it over, our heart is going to look something like this. So, as you see, I have two hearts, and both of them are ready. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.